बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान। राइट डाउन द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द क्रिएशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान। Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. The Muslims of India had sacrificed their wealth, honor, life to make a Pakistan reality. Struggle for attainment of Pakistan started very after the War of Independence, 1857. Aims and objective of the creation of Pakistan. These are setting up of a free Islamic society, protection from communal riots, social and political development of Muslims, and then protection of Muslim languages, protection of two-nation theory. So, what is two-nation theory? The Muslim claimed separate nationhood for themselves, and they were determined to maintain a separate entity for all times to come. The Muslims believed in separation religion, practiced different traditions, and have their own history and their cultural heritage. Their claim was absolutely true. It was their right to keep their separate identity alive and to enjoy all human rights. Establishment of Islamic State, setting up true Islamic society, dream of Muslim to get freedom, narrow-mindedness of Hindus. Deliverance from economic exploitation. The Hindus communities was not contented with the political rule. It was determined there was the condition of minorities economically, but especially they wanted to take revenge from the Muslims for their past defeats. Under the patronage of the Muslims, the Hindus were made onward of the land. They were encouraged in trade and commerce also. Only the trade of hides and skins remained with the Muslims. They were encouraged in the trade of shining nature or some factory, and they belonged to a Pakistan. They started cutthroat competition. The next question is explain the ideology of Pakistan in the light of the sayings of the Quaid-e-Azam. Pakistan is the only state that come into being on the basis of strong ideology. Since its establishment, it has been demanded to accomplish its basic aims. Ideology: the social or political program of any movement that becomes a collective objective of any nation is called ideology. Ideology means such an aim according to which human beings plan about the future. The ideology of Pakistan was consciousness of the Muslims in the historical perspective of the South Asian subcontinent that they were a separate nation on the basis of Islamic ideology. No doubt Islamic ideology is the base of ideology of Pakistan, so the basic fundamentals of Islam are basis of the ideology of Pakistan. Ideology of Pakistan and different scholars: Sayyid Ali Abbas, Dr. Islam Sayyid, Allama Alauddin Siddiqui. These are famous names of our different scholars about ideology of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam and ideology of Pakistan. As you all know that inshallah we will discuss the ideology of Pakistan in next video. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.